methodologies of learning. All right, and now for your part. I finished my part, okay? I talked enough. Now this is your part, okay? And this is the course. How many of you have joined the course? If not, there it is again. It's called Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages. This course is for anybody who wants to teach English. You don't have to be an English teacher. You can be anyone with a passion for teaching English. And notice acculturation is not about culture. It's about becoming part of a group, okay? So language learning theories. What does, you're going to blog or wiki, up to you, blog or wiki about this, okay? It's up to you whether you want to blog or wiki. By the way, what do you prefer, blog or wiki? I think I prefer to wiki, but I blog most of the time. I like wikis better. And I prefer Wiki Educator to any other wiki. I'm so glad, Fabiana. Okay, but the only way to learn is, or to sustain learning, is to do something with it. Because if you don't do anything with it, you lose it. If you don't use it, you lose it. Okay, so it's really important to continue and do something with it. So the questions are, and you will get the link to the PowerPoint presentations. It's in the courseware, in the course. What does each language theory emphasize? Next question, how will each language learning theory contribute to your teaching? Next question is, what language theory did your teachers use to teach a foreign language? By the way, those of you who do the test will get a certificate at the end of the course signed by myself, and I think that's worth something. What language theory did your teachers use to teach a foreign language? Hello, Neves. Good to see you. Sorry you're late, but you can get the PowerPoint presentation in the course, Neves, so I hope you join the course. There it is. Everything is there, including the recording. And next question is, what language theory do you prefer and why? And the final question, will you use one or multiple language theories? Will you use one or multiple? In other words, which ones are you going to use and why? As I said before, reflecting on what you learn is a way to sustain learning. Otherwise, you're going to lose it. So blog or wiki about each of the 6 language theories by responding to the questions in the previous slide. Okay, these questions.